Hey, what's up, everybody? Well, first of all, before I even get this started, excuse my little hairpiece. I have a hair appointment today. So yeah, I'm gonna get that tamed on a little bit later. But what I'm doing here right now, I'm here at Walmart. I'm here trying to get another pool vacuum because the one I had last year died. It was battery operated. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get another one. And one thing I've noticed that these pool vacuums are expensive now. Like I remember going into Sports Academy last year, or Academy Sports last year, and it was only like $35. I found the same one, and it was like $100. So trying to see what Walmart has, and yeah, then we'll be through with that. So I'm in here looking for G27. That's F H. I want to say G is like the garden section. For some reason, I want to say it's over here in the outdoor section, G. Even though F is back here, H, there's I, there's G. Because I know it ain't the other wife. Oh, G. So yeah, G is over here with the outdoor equipment, with the barbecue grill stuff. But G also starts with like the pharmaceutical stuff, like medicines and stuff. All right, here we go. G27. So it's on this very last aisle. G27. Where is it at? G27. Oh, here we go. So I'm guessing it's got to be that thing right here. Yep, that's it. $78. The Tesla 05. All right, so I had one like this last year. The only difference was the one I had last year was battery operated. This one looks like it says it's rechargeable. So yeah, we'll see if that makes a difference. Because this little doohickey did good last year. We're getting all the stuff off the bottom. The only thing was when I came back to use it this year, I guess, I don't know, the batteries rotted, or I don't know if batteries have a bad reaction to water. If that's the case, then they shouldn't have made one battery operated. So I'm gonna try this one out and see if we get better results. All right, just got home with the final product, or with the product. Got home with the goods. Now I'm about to bust it open. About to open up this box, do a little box opening, and yeah, about to put it to use. I'm pretty sure it's the same as it was last year. Only difference is it doesn't take batteries, and I just got to charge it. All right, so this is how it comes packaged. So you have your main unit all backed up. Those are your pole attachments. You just go ahead and hook those up. And then you also have two different attachment heads to actually suck up the debris. So this is going to have your filter and everything in it. And I guess there's nothing that I have to, take apart to charge it. It does come with the charging cord, but nothing else. So I guess I just plug it into the wall and plug that into the vacuum, and I'm good to go. All right, so I forgot to show y'all what it looked like before, what I was working with before. But as you can see, that right there, I'm about to get this little line right here. I didn't have it down.